I'm back. And I was vlogging from my oops. I know it's hot outside. We just came back from
Hi everybody, I'm vlogging today on a video about whatever my wife's saying. So go on.
So we just dropped the kids off. We dropped them off at...
Wait, what? What are you talking about?
We dropped the kids off with the babysitter. He knows because we just...
No,
I
don't know what
came from there.
I don't know what she's saying. She's crazy.
Whatever. So yeah, our Uber driver's 5 minutes away. Okay, so we're gonna be going out to the mall. You guys are gonna come with us, and we're gonna vlog. Movies. And Victoria's Secret because we never get to go there.
I'm gonna pick out myself some lingerie, but go on.
And
they should really make a shop for guys.
I'm sorry if I'm shaking the camera too because I'm not used to it. No, because I'm not used to like holding.
I got it.
Oh.
Anyways, but guys, they should really make a store for us called Victor Secrets.
Victor's instead of Victoria's.
Wait, I think it just passed by, baby. Here.
I think so. I'm gonna be using. Let's see if I can. So, I got my purse. Let me get some daylight over here. All right. So this is my outfit. I got this shirt from. You guys want to know where I got this shirt from? Just message me. I think our Uber is here. We're gonna get going. I'm super excited. We're gonna go off base and we're gonna go because if you guys don't know, our car is having problems. Yeah, I just got a message that the Uber's here. Down here. This is the 30. The 30 is really big for me. So you guys can see it's really big. But I'm gonna order my husband. I wish you guys could see him, but he's running to the Uber. He's out there. Y'all see him?
Oh, nice.
These are too big.
Hi, babe.
These are all Juicy Couture. Oh, I like these. These are Juicy Couture.
Babe, how do I look?
$34. They're cute.
What?
The mirrors
They're manly. Oh, they're Juicy Couture.
Let me see.
Cause I think I do want you next to me, but does this work? Cause I know I can't get to you. I like the chase, and I know you do too. Am I just in love with the idea of you? Cause I'd cross a million seas. Would you do that for me?
I like that one. That was like a coin first.
Oh, cool.
Oh, that one has kitties. Remember that backpack incident where I bought it without the straps?
Yeah.
And I got so mad. Like, where's the strap?
And then the lady was like,
oh, this couture right there.
the lady.
That's an odd line. Somebody wear it.
There, the lady was like, oh, well, that's why it was being sold at a discounted price. I'm like, no.
It's on sale. Look, it's on sale.
Mm-hmm.
At Kohl's. I was like, take me with you.
If it was originally $59, $35, $79.
I need to get my phone where
if it was, wait a minute. So wait a minute, if it was $79, it's $47?
Where? Let me see.
Right here.
Oh,
Okay.
I want this one. Because it's pink. And then they only have one more. They only have one more pink.
Or do you?
Yeah, I want this one.
Okay. We'll get it.
Where do we pay for it?
Up the front.
Alright, now we're like, look how unorganized. This is like the most unorganized.
Yeah. Look at the floors. The floors are all trash all over them.
This Victoria's Secret is really like unorganized.
I know. Look over here.
I like this. Oh, I don't like it. Like, look at that. Look at that.
And look at that. Look at this. Show that right there. It's like that you got lazy employees. Not trying to complain, but seriously, like this place is supposed to be you know, really nice.
Sorry if I scared anybody with my nose. But yeah, we just went out to eat, having a good time. And yeah. Oh. Got some stuff from Victoria's Secret. And it's right in that bag. And I'll show you guys when we get home. And then we got some pizza and we got also some food in there.
Alright, ready?
Is it recording? Yeah. Is it both of us? Or
Yeah, it's both of us because I'm able to select two.
gee,
I'm too drunk for this. Okay.
long
Okay.
nose.
Alright. Alright, ready?
You do it. There you go. Let me charge it.
Oh yeah, you try. Ready?
Yes.
Oh my god. Alright, ready?
We going?
Yeah.
We're at the movies.
Love me, don't think that you love me when I break things.
It's my birthday.
Little bit of coffee, baby. Don't hate me, you probably think I'm crazy.
Happy birthday, baby.
Thank you, baby.
The way we've been behaving, so
Apple headphones, right, Mama?
When Fun Center returns, we're going behind the scenes with the cast and crew of the upcoming comedy Tag.
Look what.
Having a lot of
Babe,
good times, and I hope you guys have fun watching us because we have the whole theater
to
to
ourselves.
ourselves. Whoa.